Hey guys, to enable two-factor authentication requirement in Meta Business Manager, open the Meta Business Suite app and then go ahead and click the three bars at the bottom right. Then what you're gonna do, just go ahead to the settings or the settings gear right here at the bottom end. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna try to pin down business info, right, or business portfolio info. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, okay, and under the business options, find two-factor authentication. You're gonna find it somewhere here, okay, and then tap the drop-down menu to select admins only or everyone to mandate two-factor authentication for those individuals. That's only like in case of you your page is managed by multiple people. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.